guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Zoya. Today we are talking about the application paxful Bitcoin wallet. So let's start the video. A people powered platform for digital currencies. Moreover, buy, sell and convert in 350 plus ways. Send, store and receive with a free digital wallet. Make payments with crypto. Opportunities to earn and save. And here are a total balance. Join our global community. What are you wishing for? What are you waiting for? Create your account today, or if you already have an account, jump right in. Here is the option of create account and login. If you don't have account, then move toward the option of create account. If you already have account, then log into your account easily. Moreover, if you want to use this application as guest, you can do it as well. Now we'll talk about the other features of this application in detail. But guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel Technical Zoya, don't forget to subscribe it. Paxful is peer-to-peer platform for buying and selling digital currencies. We believe in equal access to finance, enabling users to trade crypto and earn money in a safe, secure environment. We are changing how world moves money and embraces cryptocurrencies, allowing transfers with anyone, anywhere, at any time. The Paxful Bitcoin and crypto wallet app is ultimate companion tool to our platform. Trade crypto with hundred of payment method. Paxful allows you to buy cryptocurrencies and convert money with your choice of over 350 payment method, including gift card, debit and credit card, bank transfer, online wallet and more. Simple transactions involve easily send, receive, store and convert Bitcoin and other digital currencies. Use your unique wallet address or QR code to make quick transfer with millions of traders from around the world. Trade Bitcoin. Trade the world's foremost digital currency with a million of users around the world. Trade Theater. Theater was created to maintain the same value as USD. Now you can buy USDT or sell it to other Paxful users. You also have option to convert your Bitcoin to Tether or Ethereum and vice versa directly through your Paxful wallet to protect your crypto from sudden price volatility. Trade Ether ETH. Ethereum has finally arrived at Paxful. You can now buy Ethereum coin on our platform using over 350 payment option and at a lower price than other crypto exchanges. Start buying and selling Ethereum today right from your Paxful wallet. A trusted wallet safely stores your crypto in your own personal mobile cryptocurrency wallet, which you will receive for free upon creating your account. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Take it everywhere you go and check your balance anytime. Low fee. We keep our send out fees low as everyone can have access to crypto and global financial market. Related to that, you can ask me anything in comment section and must subscribe my YouTube channel Technical Zoya.